Now you need to take a screenshot of the forum you created. This is a forum that you created, and there you are. Your picture's going to be there. So you come here and you type snipping tool. It will come up. You click on new to snip. Now you click and drag to show, to choose whatever you want. There you go. It snipped it. And now you have to save it. So you save it to the desktop and it will say forum, Barbosa forum. I always put everything on the desktop so I can find it easy. I go save and voila, then you get out of the snipping tool and you're done. Where is my ice cream?